This is the brief on the quantum threat to Bitcoin. In just 40 days in early 2026, a collision of tech breakthroughs proved the unbreakable math protecting cryptocurrency is about to get shattered by quantum computers, throwing power right back to the mega institutions Bitcoin tried to bypass. First, Google Quantum AI proved they can break Bitcoin's encryption in minutes. The catch? It requires specialized hardware operating at 15 millikelvin. That's colder than deep space. What happens when the unbreakable math protecting your money suddenly requires a machine colder than the void to defeat? Well, it means only massive nation-states and megacorporations can afford them, destroying the idea of decentralization. Second, these new machines make immediate targets out of early crypto wallets, sparking a massive digital salvage operation. 1.1 million original Bitcoin belonging to creator Satoshi Nakamoto have had their access keys publicly exposed on the blockchain for 16 years. Because those keys are visible, it's basically a $90 billion shipwreck at the bottom of the ocean, just waiting for whoever builds the first quantum submarine to scoop it up. Finally, it's not just crypto at stake, it's your data. Intelligence agencies have hoarded encrypted files since 2014 in a harvest now, decrypt later strategy, just waiting for this exact hardware. Meanwhile, IBM wrote the federal government's new post-quantum security standards. Isn't it a bit wild that the architect writing the new security rules is exactly who's cashing in to sell you the playbook? Ultimately, the physical limits that made Bitcoin trustless have shifted, putting total control right back into the hands of the corporate and government giants it was built to escape. The ultimate quantum key might not be built just yet, but the lock is already broken.